Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. See, as I said that I'll be bringing the important type of questions. See, there are few chapters in which we can predict the type of questions which can be asked because of the limited syllabus. Because the syllabus has been reduced, they have deleted so many portions. So for today, we'll be discussing it about 3D geometry. In 3D geometry chapter, see, that's the list, like which type of question you may expect in your JEE mains. It's distance between two skew lines, which is a direct formula based question, and you should be able to solve it if it comes to you in front of you in your examination. Next, this is extremely important question based on the line of shortest distance for two given lines. See, I do the figure here. Let's say these are two skew lines. What does I mean is the question based on this line, a line which is perpendicular to both the skew lines. Okay, so line along with the shortest distance is obtained. Now what can be the type of question? The type of question can be based on these points of intersection, the P and Q, where this line which is perpendicular to both the skew lines meet line L1 and L2. There can be several many different type of questions. Okay, so this is very important. You should be able to get this point P, you should be able to get this point Q, and then any question asked based on this line PQ, you can solve it for sure. Okay, this is extremely important. And then see, I will try to bring a detailed video on these type of questions with the example for sure. Okay, but right now let's know which type of question. Distance of a given point from the line. So if that's the line, that's the point A, so that's the perpendicular distance. So one is this thing, and important for me, what I expect is distance along a given direction. That means not the perpendicular direction but any other given direction. Then foot of perpendicular drawn from a point on the line. So if that's the point, you draw perpendicular, that's your foot of perpendicular. So this might be important, and of course we use it to find the image of the point on the line. And foot of perpendicular is the midpoint of object and the image. And then at last, very important, based on vector, okay, the geometry of the figure. Like I just do an example. For example, I do a figure. This is a quadrilateral, okay, and there's a line PQ which divide BC and AB in some given ratio. Then you are asked to find the area, the ratio of the area of this triangle and that triangle using maybe the cross product. So these are the type of questions which are going to be extremely important for this JEE Mains January session, बच्चों.